Hi guys, this is Ballet tutorial episode 2. Do you know that actually in ballet there are more than 5 positions of the arms? Today I will tell you all about all the arms position that you should know. Okay, let's start from a quick review of all the basic 5 positions. The first position is where your arms are closed, your shoulders away from your ears, elbows are lower than the shoulders, hands are lower than the elbows, 2 middle fingers are almost touching each other, and your palms are facing towards the body. The second position. From the first position, open your arm to the side without losing the beautiful shape of it. To avoid arching of the back, pinching of the scapula, or opening of the ribcage, your arms should be in your periphery or should be in front of the shoulders. Now, the third position. We are going to combine the first and second position together. Let's have right arm in first and left arm in second. This becomes your third position. Next one, let's go to our fifth position. Start from the first position and lift your arms up without losing the shape of the arms. This is your fifth. To avoid arching of the back or opening of the ribcage, your arms should be slightly in front of the ears, or your finger might be on top and between your eyebrows. The next one will be our fourth position. There are 2 different kinds of fourth position. One is a combination of the second and the fifth position. For this one, we can call it open fourth. 2. This is a combination of the first and the fifth position. This one, we'll call it cross fourth. Just a reminder, please always maintain the beautiful shape of the arms. Shoulders should be away from the ears at all times. These are our 5 basic positions of the arms. Now, come to the other position that we should know. 1. Rubber position. We will see this position before and after each exercises. Your arms are in front of the body and your hands will be about 1 palm away from your thighs. Palms are facing upwards. Demi-bras position. We will see this position mostly for the landing of the pirouettes or in ending poses. Let's start from first position and thinking of unfolding of the arms by maintaining the position of the elbows. Palms will be facing up and the arms should be slightly lower than the chest. Please take note that this position is not as wide as the second position. 3. Demi-second or breathing arms. Let's start from bras. Take a breathing in and allow your arms to expand with the breath. This position is by the side of the body. Palms are facing towards the body and it's not as high as the second position. This is why it's called demi-second. 4. The elongate arms. Elongate means elongate. You'll be seeing this full extension of the arms here. I will give you 2 examples of the arms. 1. Start from the fifth position. Thinking of unfolding and elongating of the arms by keeping your elbows at the same place. Form a beautiful V shape. This is your open fifth position. 2. Start from the fourth position. Again, unfold and elongate your arms. This is an open fourth position. And the last is arabesque. For the arabesque, let's start from the first position. Go through your third and extend your arms fully without locking off the elbows. One arm is in front at the eyes level, the other is at the side and slightly lower than the shoulders. These are all the positions of the arms that you should know. Let's have a brief going through of all the positions together. I hope you have a better understanding of the position of the arms. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment below. And don't forget to click like and share, as well as subscribe my channel for more video in the future. For today, thank you all again, and until next time.